But yeah, so getting back to, why am I doing that? Okay, so annoying. I hate when I play with my hair. Really upsetting. Okay. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Luxury Hybrid channel. I have decided to do a 2-year update and review on my LV mini backpack Palm Springs. I never say this right. My mini backpack Palm Springs. Did I just repeat myself? I don't even know. Anyway, okay, I'm doing a review on this little baby right here. It's bittersweet. I have loved the hell out of this bag. I have enjoyed every moment that I've worn it. I bought a pair of sneakers last summer that matched this bag perfectly, and I have no intentions of not using it this summer at all. Let's get into the positives about this bag. This little thing can really hold so much. And in fact, if you want me to do a comparison with this bag and my Speedy 25, just leave it in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to do a comparison. So the entire time that I've carried this bag, I have never used both straps. I've only used the one, and I have used them like this rather than connecting both tops to the D-rings here, just because when I connect them both here, it hangs longer. This way it hangs a little bit shorter, and when I wear it crossbody, it just feels just a bit more comfortable, because then the back part of the bag rests a little bit more ergonomically against my back, if you will. So yeah, I've loved this bag to pieces. I get tons of compliments every time I wear this bag. People just cannot believe that Louis came out with a style like this. Actually, this is going to be a 2-in-1, because I'm going to show you what this bag can hold. So in the front, I hold the key fob to my car. Now this is a very tight fit. I don't even bother using the zipper because of the tight fit. And when I carried it continuously for the first 6 months, I want to show you exactly how I carried it, because since then things have changed. I've gone a little bit lighter, but I want you to get the gist of what you can actually hold in here. And now keep in mind, if you want to put more in here, you actually can. It's just insane what this holds. So the first thing I can pull out is going to be my 6-key holder. The next thing I'm going to pull out is my mini pochette, and this would be fully loaded with makeup, a mirror, just anything you can think of that you need to put inside and keep organized. I always carry a checkbook with me. And I have here a pair of sunglasses. These are not the glasses I was wearing at the time, but I was using this case, and yes, it holds sunglasses. I had I actually had 3. I don't know why I didn't put all 3 inside, but I did use all 3. I also have my round key holder. I'm annoyed that I didn't put all 3. I want to show you all 3. I also have my blotting papers, and in the very back, which was probably the most inconvenient thing that I ever thought of doing, was I put my cell phone back there. Don't know why, but at the time it was a 6 Plus, but there's really no difference in size between the 7 and the 6 Plus. They're about the same. A loose lipstick. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you to subscribe, because I do weekly fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Okay, now we're gonna get into the bag itself. So it started from day one. First of all, I was on a 4-month waiting list for this bag, which is just absurd. And when I went to pick it up, I inspected the bag, and I found maybe 1 or 2 flaws with the bag that prompted me to ask, had the bag been purchased prior and then returned? I was told that that was not the case. However, I will do some close-ups and hopefully you can see it. So I really hope that the camera will pick up. Somewhere along here is kind of what looks like either a scratch or some sort of an impression. In person, let's see. I remember Amy Elizabeth was talking about her Dior bag that she got, and she was upset that the mark that she saw on her Dior bag wasn't showing up on camera. And okay, another thing was these are actually way worse now, but these little leather tabs on the side here, one was already starting to split. I don't remember which one it was, but as you can see, it's split quite tremendously, and this is on both sides. So I'll be honest with you, this really doesn't bother me too much. It is annoying when I first look at it, but then once I put the bag on, I feel fine. You know, it's really such a great bag. Now getting closer over here, there's a little thread right there that's popping up, and that's a little bit irritating too. I know I use this bag a lot, as I said. It's just that, I don't know. Is Louis having some quality issues? Okay, so over here is some thread separation as well. So right over here. So far, I don't think that there are any glazing issues. Oh, here we go. On this side too. You might be able to see some loosening. It's nothing major. At the bottom, there's also some loose threading. Some more on this side. What I do is, when I'm wearing this bag regularly, I will alternate D-rings, just because I feel that it will give the bag equal amount of pull. People may have mentioned that the zipper is not as easy to open or close. I find it easier to close than it is to open. However, the structure of the bag, when I look at some people's posts on Instagram, the zipper seems to be more pronounced, more structured. The way the zipper pull folds on this side, it's as if it was pushed outward. But I also feel like this is a lot softer than the more recent mini palm springs that have been produced. So, I mean, I'm not too entirely upset. As I said, I've really enjoyed this bag, but these are just tiny little things that sit in the back of my mind. I mean, also for the price that I paid for this, I do wish that I had the perfection that I'm seeing these bags on Instagram with. You know, it's really heartbreaking. It has taken a beating from me. I mean, I don't throw it around because I carry so much stuff in it. I'm very mindful of the way I place it, just because I don't know, I would do that with any bag that cost any amount of money. It's just the way I am with taking care of my things. However, you know, this canvas was developed to use for the trunks for travel. So they are supposed to be extremely durable. I just, you know, I wish that there was more sturdiness. I don't know. I mean, I guess there is. You know, I don't use both straps. Basically what I'm saying, the quality issue, I think that I should have received this bag in pristine condition. Let's show you the canvas. The canvas is absolutely perfect. There's no fading on either side. There's no fading. Look at how beautiful that handle is. Maybe there was nothing wrong with the handle and I'm just imagining that. And you can see right here, I brought this bag with me to Vegas. I brought it to California. I wore it throughout the summertime, hot and sweaty months, and I think it's held up very well for the most part. Obviously, aside from the way I received it, it's held up amazingly well, and I'm excited to see how well it holds up in the future. Please let me know what you thought in the comments. Let me know, please, if you noticed the tag on the inside, if you saw the markation that I saw, because it's there. I could still see it right now. It's like someone's fingernail, you know, when you go and you reach for something and you kind of like graze it. That's what that looks like to me. All right, I'm gonna repack this. with the 2 extra clay pochettes because I want you to see that they actually fit in here. Okay, so going back in, I'm going to put my phone in the back pocket. So we have my phone. Then I would put my checkbook. Then I would put my pochette bowl. So I have my 1, 2, and 3 clays. I would tend to put them sideways like this. Have my key holder, coin purse here, my sunnies, blotting paper, lip gloss, zip it up, and then in the front, key fob. And there you have it, nice and packed. So let's see, it's packed. Let's see how the zipper looks. I wonder if it looks like those Instagram pictures that I see. No. There's something, okay, the way my zipper looks when the bag is fully packed, it looks as though it's pushed in. The bags that I see on Instagram of recent bags, you can actually see this pushing out a little bit, and the way the zipper pull falls, it's as if it's pushed outwards so it lays perfectly flat like this. Exactly, just like that. And I'm not getting that with my bag, but nevertheless, I do love it and I'm happy with it. Why am I hugging it like a teddy bear? Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you'll consider joining me on my other socials. That's at The Luxury Hybrid on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And you can always join the party by clicking subscribe. Remember to smile always, and I will see you in the next video. Viva, Viva, what are you doing? What you doing, Viva, Viva? You made a cameo appearance. You made a cameo appearance.